We are specialized manufacturers of square downspout machine and downspout elbow machine. This video shows the production process of a high-quality square downspout roll forming machine. There are models making items of various sizes, following the standards for a rectangular form 2x3, 3x3, 3x4, and for a round 1-2 in 3 in, 4 in. Customize various sizes according to your needs. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size and cut the target product. Downspout machine are used to provide the water system for buildings. Commitment: delivery within 45 days, 18-month warranty. Steel Mama always give you proper solution.